Welcome back to our weekly update. I'm Charlotte McLeod with investingnews.com, and we're going to run through a few of this week's biggest stories in the mining industry. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, or leave us a comment below. Let's get into it.
The gold price faced both ups and downs this week as the US election and latest Federal Reserve meeting impacted the industry. The week began on a strong note for the yellow metal, which was steady at around the $27.40 per ounce level on November 4th and 5th. However, Donald Trump's victory at the polls had a negative effect on gold. It sank to just under $26.50 on November 6th. What factors drove that decline in gold? I heard from John Feneck of Feneck Consulting, who said that the drop was a knee-jerk reaction to the election result. Here's how he explained it.
But what happened was you had a risk-on moment, Charlotte. It wasn't that gold and silver were no longer relevant. It was simply that people were celebrating the Trump victory because Trump's a Republican. Most Wall Street participants and Bay Street participants vote Republican. So they were voting with their dollars and, basically moving stocks up. And the US dollar rallied sharply yesterday, up about 1.5, 1.6%. And when you have a huge move up in the dollar, typically you'll have a move down in gold and silver. It's just, a counter relationship in many years if you go back and look at charts.
Gold was already recovering by November 7th, rising back above $2,700 in the lead up to the Fed's interest rate decision and maintaining that price point afterwards. As was widely expected, the central bank cut rates by 25 basis points, a tamer move than its 50 basis point reduction in September. Speaking at a press conference after the decision was announced, Chair Jerome Powell said that while the Fed is feeling good about economic activity, there's still work to do on inflation. Even so, he didn't outline the Fed's path forward, instead saying that officials will continue to assess incoming data and other elements. He also emphasized that the outcome of the election won't impact decisions on monetary policy. Powell gave an even stronger answer about whether he will retain his position as Fed chair once Trump takes office. He told reporters that he won't resign if he's asked to, adding that it's not permitted under the law for Trump to fire him. Although Trump appointed Powell as Fed chair in 2018, he's since been critical of Powell's actions as well as the Fed's overall lack of transparency. Trump will be sworn in as president for his second term on January 20th, 2025, and we'll be watching to see how gold and the broader markets react as that day approaches. We'll also be closely monitoring how Trump's policies could affect the mining sector. Already, we've seen a top Rio Tinto executive call for the president-elect to speed up permitting in the country.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so leave us a comment below.